嗨，大家好呀！欢迎观看我们的视频，我是你们的好朋友 Julia。
Welcome to Monster Art TV, and today we're going to make a special clay project with some frames and a lot of clay.
Yeah， 而且会很有趣的哦。We will have a lot of fun.
So 1, 2, 3, let's
Let's
go!
go!
Our project today we're going to use
相框
frames. These are frames that you can find in $1 shops for $1, or in IKEA, or in a lot of places that they don't cost a lot of money. And we need
皮泥
clay,
啊，发了，哈哈，
a lot of clay.
有好多好多皮泥。哇，有这么多皮泥呢，肯定足够我们做好多好多小怪物啦。
Okay, let's go.
开做。
So now what we're going to do, we're going to choose colors, different colors,
Help me open.
something like this.
Wow. 3. 哇，
And we're gonna put blobs, balls of colors inside the frame, like this. This is one. We can mix. We're gonna do different shapes, okay? Let's not just put one shape. We have to mix different shapes. You can even mix colors. See, I have like a two-tone pink. And I'm gonna make this around the blue.
I'm gonna make also around, but no longer.
Now my last one is going to be a black monster.
Black monster.
Now for the final touch, what are we gonna do, Julia?
Eyes and no, mouth and eyes and mouth.
Eyes and mouth. So how are we gonna do that?
First, we need white.
Okay. Little eyeballs.
Little eyeball. First, complete a little eyeball. Wait, wow. Hey, give me. Where's the
Yeah.
white?
This one?
Can we make
Sure.
one eyes monster?
Yeah, of course. It's called Cyclops.
What is? Like a Kamen Rider eyes.
That's beautiful. I like that idea of one eye monster. I'm gonna make this one eye.
And these eyes is like this. Look, these monster eyes.
Oh, you can make teeth. Look, make it square.
I go make monster, okay?
Look. Make the teeth.
help you.
Yeah, we're gonna put some mouth. With the black marker, we can do that. We can do different kind of eye. Look, like this, like this. See, Yelen?
I finish everything up here. Okay, done.
And the mouth also.
Mouth so black.
Mhm. I have a monster without eyes. I put one eye here. This one's like that.
Look, it's monster. 那个，真的不是。
Now we have this one can have teeth.
I cannot paint in the clay, right? Because I make the teeth like this, can I?
Yes, of course.
I can make one funny look. A tongue like silly face. These have three mouths. So this he have four eyes. One just sleeping and this watching.
So you can do also a mouth like this. Look. So you guys, you can do any details you want, right? You can add mouth, you can add nose, you can add hair if you want. See? What?
猪鼻子，猪鼻子。
You can go crazy with your clay monsters. Right, Julian? And are you ready for the reveal?
Yeah.
Let's do it! And this is our special project with
这就是我们的拟画。
monster clays.
你们觉得好看不好看啊？如果你们觉得这个很好玩，那就一起动手做一做吧。希望你们会喜欢。
So this is a very easy project to do. Just a frame, a few pieces of clay, and a lot of creativity.
你们还能再多添加一些小怪物。
So I hope you like it, guys, and see you next time.
拜拜，我们下期再见。
Bye bye.